Our ET082 GSM and GPRS communicator can be used as either a primary or backup device for almost any alarm control panel. It supports all popular protocols, including Contact ID and SEER, operating with CSD, GSM voice or text, as well as GPRS or PSTN lines. The ET082 simulates a fixed telephone line by providing a dial tone, so you can connect it to your existing control panel to replace or back up your PSTN line. If any communication loss is detected, the ET082 will reroute data automatically to your monitoring station or simply inform you via a text message. And yes, the ET082 is so smart that it can detect suspension in landline service even when a dial tone is still being provided. ET082, the communicator, customized by you, produced by Eldis.
MAS, safe, secure, special.